Sergei Magnitsky died in this Moscow jail in 2009. He had spent almost a year behind bars without facing trial. He was charged with conspiracy, but his supporters say he was targeted by the Russian state after uncovering a $230 million fraud by senior officials using subsidiaries of the investment fund Hermitage Capital. An independent investigation concluded he had been tortured by 8 prison guards on the day of his death. No one has been convicted. Hermitage Capital CEO Bill Browder fought successfully to have the Magnitsky Act signed into US law, targeting those involved in the fraud and in Sergei Magnitsky's death. Now he is fighting to have similar legislation adopted in Britain.
All the indications are that we have an extremely robust group of cross-party support from all the major parties.
Browder says Moscow's actions in Ukraine and Syria are helping his cause.
The behavior of Russia in the last 2 years has become so egregious that it's become possible even to convince the executive branch this is the right thing to do.
The proposal for a British Magnitsky law is being debated as an amendment to a wider piece of legislation called the Criminal Finances Bill.
What it seeks to do is broaden out the scope of Magnitsky-related legislation to take in a far more global context.
Anyone could seek an asset freeze under the proposed legislation.
Private parties, NGOs, can go to the court with pro bono lawyers and can go after bad guys and get a court designation completely irrespective of the government.
London is a favourite second home for many oligarchs from Russia and former Soviet states, some of whom are accused of rights abuses and corruption.
The National Crime Agency, of course, suggests that well in excess of £100 billion annually of corrupt money flows through the UK.
Lawmakers are due to vote on the amendment in the coming weeks. Supporters hope its passing could pressure the European Union to adopt similar laws. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.